Hello friends, I am INGLE and today we are going to see the multiplication trick of dissimilar digits. Okay, that means different digits. Like we will multiply 73654 into 915. Okay, so to multiply, just split this number something like this, and the 915 we have to split like this. Okay. Then what you have to do is you just have to write down the table of 73654 exact of 9, 1 and 5. That means still 9, 1 and 5 you have to write all these numbers table like this you have to write. Okay, like 7 9s are 63, 3 9s are 27, 6 9s are 54, 5 9s are 45, 4 9s are 36, like this. You have to write all the numbers and then multiply and then do same as we did in the table trick. If you don't know, then let me explain once again. That you just have to write 6 as it is because it is extreme right side, and then 5 plus 3 is 8, 4 plus 4 is 8, 7 plus 5 is 12, 2 and 1 carry over to 2, and 3 plus 3 is 6 and 6 as it is. And now this middle number, because it's single digit, that's why we are going to write it as it is, all the numbers. And then the last number, that is same thing, it's there. Okay, you can calculate and do something. First of all, you have to mark all the digits in 45 degree, and like this you have to mark, and then you have to add it. Okay, something like this. You can mark also, and you can keep it in your mind also. So like I was telling dissimilar digit, that means like as you can see in the first side there is 6 digits, in the middle there is 5 digits, and at the last also there is 6 digits. So in this case what you have to do is you can just put 0 here. To make similar digits you can put 0 also here, like then you just mark them also 6 and 0, and then 6 alone you have to mark. Then what you have to do is you just have to write 0 as it is because it's single digit. 7 plus 4 you have to add, it will be 11, and 1 carry over. Then 6 plus 1 7, like this you have to add. 7 plus 5 5 plus 2. Now 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 6, 6 plus 8 will be 23. 3 we wrote here and 2 carry over. 8 plus 2 10. So 10 plus 3 plus 6 will be 19, and 1 carry over. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 7 plus 3 will be 13, and 1 again carry over to 6, 6 plus 1 7, and 7 plus 0 0, and 6 will be as it is because it is single number. Okay, and the answer now you can see is 73654 into 915 is equal to 6739341. Okay, so this was the multiplication trick of dissimilar digits. And if anywhere there is less digits, like at the first row there is 6 digits, and in middle there is 5 digits, and at the down there is 4 digits, then in this case you have to add 0 in front of them. Okay, then you can do calculation. And remember one thing, that you have to calculate from right to left only, not left to right. Okay, so thanks for watching.